In case you have a small backyard and you don't want a big lawnmower because it's heavy and it's hard to reach around corners, this, my friend, is the perfect one. This is our XL 2-in-1 hedge trimmer and grass shear. This hedge trimmer is lightweight and compact in design, yet is extremely powerful. It has the perfect size to reach difficult areas so that all your hedges are neat and tidy. It has a soft grip handle that offers a comfortable operation. It's a 2-in-1 for technology, which is perfect for your gardening needs, as you can easily swap the interchangeable blades to tackle whatever your garden throws at you. It has a safety lock feature, has this button here, just press it up, and then you can use it. Comes with a grass blade guard, pruning blade guard, and shrub cutter blade. It is compatible with all 5-amp and 2-amp batteries. This can do up to 1,200 RPMs and cut out 200mm length with a hedge trimmer and 100mm with grass shear. This product is intended for light trimming shrubs, hedges, and lawn edges, which makes your work a lot easier. Shop this now at toolsfortrade.co.uk.